Hello guys, Baba right now is trending all over social media. Baba is a long-time musician in Nigeria. He is popularly known as Tuface Idibia. Tuface Idibia has a lot of baby mamas and he decided to pick one of them and got married to her. That is Annie Idibia. These two couple have been married for so many years, not until when Natasha came online. About 2 years ago, Natasha met Tuface Idibia and they got into relationship and now they are fully married according to tradition. Right now, these two couple are causing chaos on social media. A lot of people are happy for what is befalling Tuface Idibia and Natasha. Many are saying that it is karma that is befalling Tuface Idibia. Right now, the incident that took place happened while Daddy Freeze was on his live show. Baba former management came on the live video to explain what really happened while they were still with Tuface Idibia. And Baba came on that live video to shut them up. What he was trying to shut them their fuck up, Natasha got into him. Right now, nobody knew what really happened, but a woman's voice was trying to call on Tuface Idibia. That is the situation right now on social media. Natasha and Tuface Idibia's lawyer has decided to speak on the issue that all these social media in-laws becoming the judge to judge the whole matter and they settle it while none of them reported the issues in the court for court to decide who is guilty and who is a victim. But my own is, a lot of people are saying that Annie Idibia was good and Tuface Idibia left her to another woman, that is Natasha. Let me tell you that women are of two forms. I do not side Natasha. I do not side Annie Idibia, nor Tuface Idibia. I am going to say it the way it should. Annie Idibia has never got into physical with Baba before, not on social media. That is why everybody are backing her up today. That is why everybody are siding Annie Idibia. Right. Now, I want to tell you that women are of two types. There are women that will condone things in their mind and they will comport themselves not to speak out until when they are in closed door. Most especially if you are a public figure like Annie Idibia. Only Two-Face that can say what really happened in the closed door while he was with Annie Idibia. Natasha, fine, has come up online and everybody are talking about Natasha. There are some women who cannot control their anger. There are some women that want to upload it. They want to upload their anger at any given time, wherever it is. And after that, they become as calm as water. Tuface Idibia has never come online to tell anybody what he is passing through in the hand of Natasha. Not when he was with Annie Idibia. So there is nobody that can decide what really happens in the closed door. People are talking about it on social media because Natasha has decided to let it out, not to copy it and to do it in the closed door. So guys, we don't have to judge these people in a haste. As their lawyer has come out to speak about it, let us wait until when the law take its due course. Type shit.
Let me ask you a very simple legal question. When you watch a couple having what seems to be like a squabble or a fight or an argument on an Instagram live, how do you suddenly become the judge, the victim, the police, and the prosecutor all at the same time? How? Because before the law, you don't get to decide who the victim is. Evidence does. Testimony does. The actual parties do. Not your emotions in the comment section. Marriage is a contract between two consenting adults. And when there are issues, it is the parties themselves who must bring a complaint, file a report, or make a statement, not a committee of online observers who have crowned themselves saviors of the oppressed. Let's assume you make a report or you file a petition and on behalf of one of the parties in the marriage, and that same person comes forward and says, "Me? No, I'm not a victim. We are fine. Leave us alone." What exactly are you going to tell the police? That you understand their marriage more than they do? Until there is a report, a petition, a statement, evidence of harm, and willingness of a party to testify, your sentiments don't stand a chance in court. And let's not forget, the principle of fair hearing, or the authorum partem, reigns supreme and remains so. Both parties must be heard, no shortcuts. I say this all the time. Nigerians need to learn to understand that the law is not driven by noise, emotions, or assumptions. It's driven by facts, process, and proof. Wake up.